Hey Skill Hub fam, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to learn how to make money on Instagram, whether you've got 1,000 followers or 10 OK you're in the right place. Hey, but before we dive in, let me ask you a quick question. Did you know that there are Instagram accounts with less than 1,000 followers making a full-time income? Crazy, right? Stick around to find out how. First, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. And Dan T, forget to give us a like if you excited to unlock the secrets to making money on Instagram. Welcome to Skill Hub, the place where we give you the tools to succeed in the digital world, whether you're starting your side hustle, leveling up your skills, or just curious about how to make money online. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Here's what we going to cover today. How to monetize your Instagram with 1K follower show. We to scale that success to 1.0K and beyond the way. Mistakes to avoid and tips for sustainable growth be. At the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to turn your Instagram account into a profitable machine. But first, a quick open loop. Imagine this. You're posting content to your Instagram, but what if you could make money while you sleep? How would that change the game for you? Stay tuned to discover how to make that a reality. Trust me, it's possible, and I'm going to show you how. All right, let's jump in. The truth is, making money on Instagram isn't just about having a massive following. Sure, 1,000 followers look great on paper. But it's not the number that counts. It's the engagement and value you bring to the table. Let's break it down in simple steps. Monetizing Instagram with 1K followers. So let's talk about how you can make money with just 1,000 followers. First things first, don't let the size of your following fool you. The real goldmine here is engagement. If your followers are actively engaging with your content, liking, commenting, and sharing, that's worth more than a large inactive audience. Here's how to make it work. 1. Affiliate marketing. The easiest way to start affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to start monetizing early on, even with just a few followers. Partner up with brands you love, share their products or services, and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique link. Let's say you post a picture of your favorite skincare product. You share your affiliate link in the caption, and when your followers buy it through your link, you make a percentage of the sale. Here's the best part. You don't need thousands of followers to start this. Even with 1K, if you have a niche audience that trusts you, you can see some real results. 2. Sponsored posts. Brands are now working with micro-influencers, people with smaller but highly engaged followings. And guess what? If you have a niche audience, even with just 1K followers, you can get paid for sponsored posts. Let's say you're passionate about fitness. A local gym or sports brand might be interested in paying you to feature their products in your posts, especially if your audience shares your enthusiasm for health. Make sure to pitch brands that align with your personal brand. Authenticity is key to success in sponsored content. Growing and scaling to 1K followers and beyond. All right, let's talk about scaling. If you've started making money with a smaller following, it's time to think bigger. Growing your Instagram to 1 followers opens up even more opportunities. But remember, growth isn't just about gaining followers, it's about growing smartly. 1. Consistent, quality content. Key to scaling is consistent, high-quality content. Aim to post regularly and make sure your posts offer real value to your audience, whether that's through education, entertainment, or inspiration. Make sure your content speaks to the needs and wants of your followers. 2. Leveraging Instagram features. Take full advantage of Instagram's features like Stories, Reels, and IGTV to increase engagement. Reels, for example, are currently one of the best ways to grow your account because Instagram is pushing them in their algorithm. Experiment with new features early. Instagram rewards users who embrace new features by giving them more exposure. 3. Collaborations and giveaways. Since you've got a solid base, start collaborating with other influencers and brands. This is an excellent way to expose your content to a new audience that already trusts the person you're collaborating with. And yes, giveaways work wonders for growing your follower count and engagement, but be strategic about them. Make sure the prize aligns with your niche and will attract followers who are genuinely interested in your content. Avoid these mistakes and pro tips for long-term success, okay? Now that you know how to make money and grow your Instagram, let's avoid some common mistakes. 1. Buying followers. Never buy followers. It might boost your numbers, but it'll hurt your engagement rate and ultimately make you lose trust with potential sponsors. 2. Ignoring analytics is Instagram's insights to track what's working and what's not. Pay attention to your most successful posts, the times when your followers are most active, and your demographics. This helps you fine-tune your strategy for better results. Whether you've got 1,000 followers or 100K, you can absolutely start making money on Instagram. It's all about being strategic, engaging with your audience, and staying consistent. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more actionable tips on how to succeed in the digital space. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know how you remonetizing your Instagram, or if you've got any questions. Oh, and while you're here, check out some of our other videos on growing your social media and side hustles. Trust me, there's a lot more value waiting for you. Thanks for watching, Skill Hub fam. Now, go out there and start turning your Instagram into a money-making machine. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below with your thoughts or questions, and check out our other videos for more insider tips.